Hi and welcome back to Liana's Kitchen. In this video I'm making a chicken and chickpea soup in a Ninja soup maker. It's a really filling soup with loads of flavour and I loved it so much I ended up having it for lunch and dinner. For this recipe I'm using these ingredients: onion, garlic, pepper, a tin of chickpeas, a tin of chopped tomatoes, tomato puree, boneless chicken thighs, courgette, basil and baby spinach leaves, smoked paprika, cumin and chicken stock. I don't always sauté first, but for this soup I decided to. As I also wanted to use the chop function, I'll need to add the oil first, then add a quartered onion directly to the Ninja jug. Then press the chop function, which runs for 8 seconds, and then afterward you'll probably need to scrape down some of the onions from the side of the jug back down onto the base. Once the chop function is finished, you can then just go ahead and press the sauté function. So whilst that's cooking, you can prepare the vegetables by roughly cutting them so that they are of a similar size. There are alternative vegetables that you could add to this recipe, such as celery, carrots, or some green beans as an example. So cut the raw chicken into small chunks. Remember, if you are using a different type of soup maker other than the Ninja soup maker, you will need to use cooked chicken instead of raw. So once the onions are finished sautéing, remove the lid and add these ingredients. So the chickpeas, courgette and peppers, the chicken, a tin of chopped tomatoes, the smoked paprika and cumin, stock powder, tomato puree, and finally some hot water. Once you've poured in some hot water, give the ingredients a bit of a stir so that the water runs down, then you'll have some space to add some more water in. So pour enough hot water up to the maximum line. It'll probably work out to around 750 millilitres if you prefer to make the stock up separately. Next, put the lid on the soup maker and choose the chunky soup setting, which will run for 30 minutes. But before we check on the final results, did you know you can also find this recipe on my blog, Liana's Kitchen? Although the recipe is written in the description down below, you can also print it off directly from my website. I also have lots more recipes in my soup maker recipe book, which is available to buy on Amazon. I'll link to it in the description down below. So once the soup maker has finished its cycle, carefully remove the lid. It is at this point that I add the roughly torn spinach and basil leaves straight into the soup. Then place the lid back on and give the soup a few quick pulses to adjust the consistency, as well as mix in the spinach and basil. And that's it, a simple, chunky chicken and chickpea soup for the soup maker. I hope you enjoy it, and if you end up making this recipe, please do let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.